In a narration found in Jami at-Tirmidhi, number 1660, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, mentioned the two most virtuous people. The first is the one who sincerely strives in the way of Allah, the Exalted. This includes striving against one's own evil desires and the evil desires of others, and instead remaining firm on the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This includes fulfilling one's duties towards Allah, the Exalted, as described, and one's duties towards people, for example, striving in this material world in order to fulfill one's needs and the needs of their dependents without waste, excessiveness or extravagance. And it includes gently commanding good and forbidding evil, according to Islamic knowledge. This will ensure one uses all the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. A Muslim will not fulfill this narration until they fulfill both aspects of their duties. The second person mentioned in the main narration under discussion is the one who secludes themselves from society, thereby keeping their evil away from people, and remains firm on the obedience of Allah, the Exalted. A Muslim is not allowed to behave in this manner if they possess dependents, as neglecting them is a sin. This has been warned in a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 1692. In addition, one should not avoid people in order to be safe from their evil. They should instead do so to keep their own evil away from people, as the former attitude can lead to pride, where a person begins to believe they are righteous while all others are sinful. It is important to remember that an atom's worth of pride is enough to take someone to hell. This has been warned in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 265. Reducing socializing with people can lead to great good, as it reduces the chances of a Muslim committing sins through their speech and actions. It prevents one from facing many arguments, difficulties and problems, which are mainly caused by socializing unnecessarily. It will free their time up to concentrate more on their duties and responsibilities. It gives them more time to learn and act on Islamic knowledge, which leads to true and lasting success in both worlds. Benefits might be obtained by interacting with people, but in this day and age, it is far safer to avoid socializing unnecessarily.